Bhutan Ecological Society had an advocacy workshop, Please project for the initiative called Reimagining Effective Partnership for Tackling Plastic Waste and River Pollution. 𝗤𝗂𝗄𝗏, Please project manager said,
So back in high school, my friends and I, we went on a field trip to a nearby waste facility where we saw plastic waste lying right next to the river. So as an environmentalist, that was a big red flag. So my friends and I, we wanted to come up with something, an initiative that could actually help us in combating plastic waste and also introduce innovative solutions to do something with the waste that has not been done in our country. So that's how my team and I, we came up with Cross International Nature Again, which is a youth-led environmental conservation organization to combat plastic pollution as well as to promote environmental conservation through research, advocacy, and sustainable technology. And currently for the Please project, our team, the GIN team, is actually introducing the innovative intervention, which is to recycle plastic waste into products such as yard bricks and also into pellets.
The project combats the pressing issue of plastic pollution by implementing innovative means to intercept and put plastic waste into the circular economy. With 195 women and 6 men participants at the 𝗿𝗂𝗶𝗿𝗀 cantonment. 𝗄𝗀𝗏, 67 years old, shares her initiative in collecting plastic waste and encourages other women to participate. She said,
ngachigi ani tatogi project di bewachin ngagi tadina chamato digi bela ta ngadi na chamato bingi maledi yipchi phemba bombera thop zumbe dula thobela ta tamba seudalo ngacharagi ge khamna lo phemela tele niba seudalo ngacharagi chimnala phai hinsang sabe di chikha thakoro bere hinsang sabe beudalo gaela तानी बेन्नी की कार तातोगी प्रोजेक्ट गुचुमी दिगी नमसम फेम्बा थोची से सुनीला तांगाची ता नजिन सुलो स्टोलेंग ऑफ दी नमसम खाचेला ता खोंगी वे ट्रोलेन ता रंगी गे हाबगी तेले नो समता बेबे वाचिंदी नमिसम फेन थोने मेला तांगाची ता लो टुकचुरे सुमियासिला दिबिरो ngachelo namsam to dula ngalo ta ngara chi siso di bero ngachi alu disulo phemese tenga edinalo chamato bebete ta anebe to bila namsam phento di yila tanga gi na chamato dira training cha lente sum chapchila ta ani bendi ta tari beuda lente sumila.
Similarly, 𝗤𝗂𝗏𝗏, one of the participants said,
the 다른 것이 나 정도 나오미 되게 팬버드 것이 두고서 왔지 대 담바랑 같이 아니 창이디 더 진종가 되게 탑니나 대 진종 탑다 제베 들은가 치료다 창이를 땐디 원법에서 수배 타고내다 행성섭이 자수배 대 디나 헬랭아 치기 아니가 치료다 게 합을 차주 수배슬라니 텔레 가치로다 다리나 원춤이들로 등하라로 남선쌤가 있으시니 다도 시즈베레 나르 아니 사기 봐라 창이디 남선미 아니 가슬로다 맘맘 조미 들링아 치라간 타고네 당도스 안 좀메 가슬로 다 감루시 조미 남지스가 지게 합디에다 아니 가슬로 산이 가슴 주가 형과스 사기디.
She also added, the program taught many important things. She learned the importance of segregating waste and that recycling can turn waste into a source of income. She also discovered which type of waste are recyclable and which are not. The project emphasized partnership to empower, given ownership and leverage joint resources across participants and stakeholders.